What's your name?
Well, we're
Yeah, right now. My name is Patrick, and I'm a service advisor at Hacienda Quick Lane.
Hi, my name's Isaiah, and I'm an advisor here at Hacienda Quick Lane.
I'm Daniel from Truck Center. And I'm Chris Vagan from Truck Center.
Awesome. Alex Estrada, Internet Team.
Felicia Ramos, Internet Team as well.
Awesome, okay.
Is that John Mayer?
It is incorrect.
Okay.
Yeah, now I can hear what it. You know the name? No. Yeah. I don't know the. Yeah. Okay. What's the name of the song?
The name of the song is Shallow
Ah.
by Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper.
Yeah, that's a good song.
I know the. Okay, that means wrong. I know the artist is Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga, but I don't know the song. So, I'll go for the point.
I'll go for the steal. Is it A Star is Born? I know that's the movie it's from. No, right? Yeah.
It's incorrect.
Or-
The name of that song, I think it's. I believe I know the name of the song, but I don't know the artist. That should be Dancing Queen, right?
Dancing Queen? I don't know.
Chris, you can steal that.
I know.
I know it's Dancing Queen, but I don't know the artist.
I know the artist is ABBA. Yes.
So each of you got 1 point.
Perfect.
I'll go for the point. They're gonna rack up.
You got this, Patrick.
It's because I know that song, but I can't remember the name or the name of the name of the artist or the song. I know what movie it comes out in.
Is it like Saving the Life or something like that? Like, that's what.
Saturday Night Fever? I don't know. What is? I don't know.
Staying Alive?
Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh.
I don't know. I kind of got the name. I don't know the name of the group.
Can I say maybe if I know the?
Yeah, but time's up.
Oh, okay. All right.
But just say it.
I think it's Eagles.
No.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
Bee Gees.
Bee Gees. Oh, that's okay.
Staying Alive, the Bee Gees.
Yeah. That's White Stripes. Something elephant.
It's White Stripes, Seven Nation Army. There you go.
Seven Nation Army, the White Stripes.
These old school ones, I know the song, I just don't know any of the info.
Is it Yeah? Like 3 times? Yeah, or something like that.
Yeah,
Yes.
title correct. The artist.
Can I? Lil Jon?
Incorrect.
Oh man.
Is it Usher? Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't go
Lil
off.
Jon, yeah. That's Lil Jon, right?
This thing's broken.
No?
No.
Oh, I know, I messed up. Oh, yeah. I can't, can I? Well, I still. It's Usher, right? Usher, yeah, right. That's what it was.
So we have more than one chance to answer.
Yeah, as long
Okay.
as you can answer
Within the 20 seconds. Oh, I felt like that was cheating.
Well, I'm not cheating. You didn't get it. I stopped and I paused. You should have jumped on it.
That's Usher, yeah. Exclamation point.
Points for Lil Jon. She didn't say featuring Lil Jon.
Featuring.
It's half his song too. Let's be honest.
They said the artist, not the features.
Lil Jon made that song. Anyone will say that.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
He's the real king behind it.
No, I'm okay with it.
That's Queen, Bohemian Rhapsody.
Queen. Bohemian Rhapsody?
That's good.
Bohemian Rhapsody, Queen.
I have no clue.
I'm guessing on this one because of the way it sounds, but I think that's CCR. No?
It's like Can't Get No or something. Satisfaction.
Why?
The Doors? No, it's not The Doors. No, I fuck. Never mind. I don't know. I don't know who it is.
What was it?
The Rolling Stones.
Rolling. Oh.
No. It's on the tip of my tongue. I just don't know it.
Guys, you ever replay the hints?
I'll use my hint.
Your hint? The song is Rock.
That will not even help me. I know nothing about that song.
Yeah, no.
The hint nor the replay. Not to my benefit.
Is it Neon Moon?
Why?
By... Yeah, I'm not sure who it is.
Come on, dig deep inside. You got this.
I don't think... Is it Brad Paisley? No.
I think it was Chris, yeah.
Neon Moon? Was that Joe Straight?
Nah, Brooks and Dunn.
I know the name of the song,
Yeah.
but I didn't know the name of the artist. I can tell. So I just named somebody who's popular.
That's a popular song, yeah.
I'm gonna guess the artist, Tim McGraw. Or
No.
Yeah, no.
I know it's Neon Moon, but I don't know the artist.
I'll go for the Steel, Garth Brooks. That's like all the
I know it's
country
not.
people
I know it's not those, but
Okay, the answer was Neon Moon by Brooks and Dunn.
Oh, I was gonna say Blake Shelton next. Okay.
I think I know the name of the song, but
You
I
know
don't
it.
know the artist. Is it called Making My Way Downtown, or is there a different name of the song? I know that's the lyric. I know that's the lyric to it.
1,000 Miles, right? And the name of the, I don't know the name of the artist, but I know it's 1,000 Miles.
Make my way. Something Black? No, I don't know it then.
Vanessa Carlton.
Yeah, Carlton.
Oh,
That's right. That's
okay.
right. I would have
Got
called it. That's right. Vanessa.
who does that go to?
I think it's
Okay.
Okay. 1,000 Miles, Vanessa Carlton. There we go. Don't even test
Classic.
me on that one. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, hey.
I'm gonna play that
I'm about
later.
to walk downtown. I'm about to walk downtown. Yeah.
No, I'm not sure. Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Okay.
I know it's country. I know that.
Yeah. But it's like new country, right? It's like new.
I don't know who the.
I'm gonna go with Kane Brown. I don't know who it is.
I don't know. I'll tell you right now. I don't listen to country at all.
Yeah.
okay for it.
Need some words in there.
I mean, my best guess is that it's either a female country singer or like an older country singer, but I don't know many, so honestly, yeah, I mean, that one beats me.
You win, dude.
Yeah, no. What's my prize?
Your prize. You get to go back to work.
Do you want to say anything to the camera?
This was fun. I liked it. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
We need it. Hold on. Oh, Chris.
Yeah! How? Yeah! How?
What was the number? What was the number?
I beat you by one, I think.
Chris is 7, you're 6.
Oh,
I know I beat you by one because I know it was like I was counting already.
Oh, really? I wasn't keeping track.
I was
Damn.
keeping track. I was like, oh, I know, got me. Oh no, I didn't get these two. Oh, okay. Oh, I got it.
Oh man, that was good.
And that's it. That's it.
That's it.
All right, cool.
All
man.
right.
Okay.
We'll send you your order later.
Yeah, yeah. Check them out.
Okay, so the winner is Alex. Congratulations.
By how
First
much?
one. Yeah, my first one.
You got 5 and Alex got 9.
Dang it.
Hey, Gigi.
You racked up the 2s.
GG.
You racked up the 2s. I got the 1s. What does he win? We didn't know.
He
Like,
currently has, we'll give him an IOU because we ran out of gift cards.
Hey,
Oh.
I'll take it.
So we'll give you one next week.
he takes cash.
Deal.
I'm saying.
Cash app? No.
Okay, thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you,
wanna
thank
say
you.
something to the camera?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Go, Alex.
Alex Estrada, Internet Team, can get you the best deals anywhere in the state. 956-777-8274. When you're done playing around, come see me.
And me as well.